Hi guys, it's Mrs. Santiago here. Today I'm going to help you with your notes for the new verb, our first verb, ser. So as you can see, I'm in your OneNote notebook. Sorry. Chapter 1, page 41, ser chart and practice. I'm going to eliminate the table of contents and make the chart big. So this chart should look in, I'm sorry, my throat is a mess. This chart should look familiar because we've been using it to learn the pronouns. So let's quickly review the pronouns. We have yo, which means I. Tu is you informal. Él is he. Ella is she. Usted is you formal. Nosotros, we the group. Vosotros, you informal plural used in Spain. Ellos, they, the group of boys or mixed boys and girls. Ellas, they, the girls. Ustedes, you all, any group of people, formal or informal. Excelente, muy bien. So the first verb, when we change the pronoun chart over to a verb chart, we start with the verb at the top. So we're going to write the verb ser at the top. This right here, and we're going to talk about this, this is the infinitive form of the verb. Okay, and infinitive is a fancy word that means it's the whole verb. It gives us the meaning, but it does not tell us who is doing the action or when they are doing the action. So again, this is ser. Ser is the infinitive verb. What does it mean? Well, ser is the form of to be. Okay, we're going to say that it's a little bit more permanent. Or at least long-lasting. We are going to learn that the reasons to use ser are actually this acronym. I'm just going to write it here. It's called doctor. Okay, so we are going to use it for descriptions, occupations, characteristics, time, origin, and relationships. So we'll work more with that later, but the reason to use ser is doctor. Well, what's the conjugation rule? The conjugation rule means how does this change and what's the pattern of change? The problem with our first verb is it is irregular. So we're not going to learn about a pattern of change until we get to our next verb. So how does this change? Okay, so yo, the conjugation to match yo is yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Él, ella, usted, or any one person or thing, es. He is, she is, you are. Nosotros, or I can say anybody and I. As soon as I add that and I, it becomes we. Nosotros somos. We are. Vosotros would be, I'll write it small because you don't need to know it for a quiz, is sois. And then ellos, ellas, ustedes son. They are, and then you, the group, plural, are. Okay, one more time. Repitan. Soy, eres, es, somos, son. Okay, so let's think about what we're doing below. I'm going to do one of each section with you. So it says the best way to know your verb tenses is to practice. Okay, I have to agree with that. I think that's absolutely true. So looking at the format, subject, verb, information. The first section is asking you to circle the verb form that matches the subject. Remember, the subject is the person doing the action or the person being described. So let's look at number 1. The subject is in red. The verbs that you have to choose from are in blue. And then the info is in green. Yo blank un estudiante in Alden Middle School. Looking at the subject, yo, should the correct matcher be yo es, yo somos, or yo soy? Yo es, yo somos, or yo soy? Well, all I have to do is go back up to the chart and look. Yo only matches soy. So I'm going to circle soy, put a line through the other ones. Yo soy un estudiante en Alden Middle School. I am a student in Alden Middle School. Okay, the next one, I'm just going to give you the thinking on it, but then you're going to have to complete it. So, Barack Obama, blank, el presidente número 44. So, how many people is Barack Obama? One or more than one? He's one person. So, I have to look to the one person side. Is it yo, two, or one person? Okay, so your options are Barack Obama eres, Barack Obama es, or Barack Obama son. Choose the right one and circle it, and then continue on. If you need to know, libros are books. So number 3, libros are books. Then you have nosotros, Sra Santiago y su familia, Señor Barton y Señora Sabluski. Nothing in that one. You're going to have to think and read the part in green. And then 2. Okay, now we're going to start putting them into sentences. Okay, so think about it and think about where it would fall. Mi bolígrafo. Mi bolígrafo, my pen. How many pens are we talking about? We're only talking about one pen. So I'm going to go back up and see what was the matcher for that. Okay, that was S. So I'm going to put mi bolígrafo es de plástico. My pen is made of plastic. Okay, so you need to go through, think about the subjects, and figure out which form of the verb ser matches what is in red. So it's yo, number 2. 3 is tu. 4 is Señorita Copra, Señora Stolt, y Señor Mateki. Okay, you should be thinking, I'm going to give you a hint on that one. How many people are they? 2 or more. So you're going to take the verb from that box. La casa del presidente, so the house of the president. Nosotros, blank. And then you're going to right here, fill in the period that you're in. Put a number there. Okay, so it might be primero. It could be sexto or noveno that you're going to put in that blank. This one you're going to have to think about because this one models numero siete above. So you want to think about that. And then numero ocho, el. Okay, we're going to be reviewing these in class, so on Monday, or maybe even when we're doing them today. So just make sure we do them when we're in class today. We'll see how it goes. All right, if you have any questions about SARE, please let me know. Gracias.